All right. Let's start with the economic calendar for so this 1:30 today, unemployment claim and SIM service. So we have them coming by 1:30 and 3 o'clock. But still the major news is tomorrow. So let us be guided and look at one or two things. So DSY. Well, that is my first. I love go to do DSY because whatever dollar give, that direction we're going to face. So we still have dollar doing what it love to do. Not too strong, not too weak, right? So there will not be much. We will not, if I will not wait, we just look at opportunity, that will be all. So we'll not stay long. So we still have dollar. We have this engulfing candle there. I still have my bias between now and tomorrow before the NFP that dollar will still push up, right? Dollar will still push up. I still have that conviction. So I still stay looking at a bullish opportunity on dollar as though it may come back to take out this yesterday low. We take out this yesterday low, right? But never the case. I expect it to come back to take out this yesterday low, this low here. Then before this bounce, before bounce. So I expect dollar to do such thing. I expect dollar to do such thing. So don't be surprised. And that is why you don't need to get into trade very, very a hurry this morning. So talking about GU, still expecting GU. Here I have my GU set up. I saw someone quickly said this, so said GU this morning. I believe we make small money already, but my buyer is still GU still push up, right? It will still push up. So I still have my bias in GU pushing up, right? So we have yesterday. So as far as this is concerned, GU still what? It's still bearish. Yeah, already, I can tell you for sure that GU is bearish. So we have price that's giving us a lower high, creating a lower high, lower low, lower high. So we are expecting GU to give us another lower low leg. We are expecting GU to give us another lower low leg. So that is bias that we are looking at for on what? On GU, on GU. So I'm still more position myself to sell GU, and I'm not looking for buy, but I need price. Here we have a engulfing candle. Normal price we put to trade to that engulfing candle. So you can do a sell limit to that edge of that where engulf that green candle and wait for the outcome. So very straightforward thing. Very straightforward. Sort of this nature. So let's wait. This is yesterday high. price with, so you see this pole here, there has not been liquidity of gold. So this here now will stand as liquidity for us, right? Now, please be cautious. Price may not get to this place. So all you need to do is to observe. After taking liquidity, wait for, you see on 15 minutes, shift in market structure. So you can sell, or whatever pattern you use to enter trade for confirmation. So our price going to drop on GU. There's a liquidity that residing here. Yes, the liquidity, I'm expecting liquidity to be taken. Now, confirmation, we have a very clear break of structure. So that is my take on GU. I've told you that not do most of what's wasting time because the trade is speaking for itself already. Now, welcome to Euro. Euro, I'm a little bit, maybe I will stay out of Euro because I don't like this ranging that is too small. The market range is just 60. So I would love Euro if Euro can trade below this low. So this will be our trade. Then we cannot trade to this place. So I think that's best that I love to see on Euro USD. I need a direction. Currently, Euro is just ranging. So for now, I will stay out of that ranging Euro market and see. If you go to 4 hours, it may give you kind of, okay, maybe 1 hour. Then if at all I want to sell Euro must go up. You see this guy here, this is double, there is liquidity for me, right? So let me extend to this supply zone. So I'll wait for price to tap into that supply zone. So that is the place I will know to sell Euro from. So that is my take on Euro. So that news may help us that I can sell Euro to this place. So this is a very good place to do what to sell Euro from. I'm done with Euro, AUD, USD, and gold. Gold is still much bullish. A lot of people make money yesterday on that strength. But as we are bullish in place, always be bullish for now. If you are buying gold, be scalping it, right? Be scalping it. You will make money don't hold trade for gold for now, for long, because gold, I have said, gold have overextended. Correction is coming on gold, and that correction may happen on whether NFP. So gold has overextended. There's a need for correction. So we cannot go to, like this morning now, I spot this move. I saw this move, just this move like this. You can see that if I am looking at it, it just that move self, I don't trust. See this move, I don't trust it, but it's a nice move, maybe just to target 2 to 1 and see how it will go. Now, that is so a smart trader, this is where for you to buy gold this morning. Please don't go and buy now. It has overstretched. These are the opportunity. You see all this demand, price swept, return back, make it a support. Now, gold can fire up. Gold can fire up. So, since we are bullish, so you can look for maybe a pullback. If you want to get into gold, a pullback, then you can now go up on gold. You put your target here. So that will give you money, right? So that is my prediction for continuation of buy on gold. You see how 4 hours was rejected. So you see how 4 hours, how that can do. So me, I'm waiting. I want to see another 4 hour candle close below here. So, or on a daily basis, any day I see this guy, if today God help me, this guy close bearish, that would be very good for me. That would be my signal to sell gold. So I'm not trading gold for now. I'm very patient to see what gold will do. So, but if you want to buy, I'll show you where you can buy gold from. That is done. AUD USD. I have a pending order here that's already activated, and then I think I'm a little profit now. I'll just leave it. Let's see how it will run. We have price getting to that supply zone. Gives me a bearish engulfing candle. I set a sell limit. Price activated yesterday. I was in a little drawdown. This is my stop loss about 35 pips. And then see how it's playing now. So let me see. I'll continue holding that trade until he hit my stop loss or he hit a profit. We do one of the two. I'm not afraid to hit stop loss. Neither will I afraid to hit the profit. So this is my AUD USD trade. Well, for those who want to get in, you can take the risk. You can still get into the risk or wait for a pullback. So that's what I can say about that. So we have this trend line, or if you wait for this trend line to break, that will have gone far. When you break of this trend line, it will test, then you can now join. So irrespective way, please make the right decision. Likewise, NZUSD has likewise this one, but this one I don't like it's also a good trade that is I'm still coming to this play, but I don't like the pullback. So my USD card trade is still in motion. It's still in motion. I've told you that yes, USD card is going to the moon. So yesterday, this one that joined me on 10 o'clock, at least by now, person like Mr. Femi and Co, a lot of people will know the kind of trader, how I trade. And I believe I've not hide anything the way I look at trade for these days. And since I begin to look at trades in this pattern, it has really helped me to stay away from hitting unnecessary stop loss or trading every time. So if you want to switch from day trading to a swing trade, you begin to look for a higher time frame, top-down analysis from higher time frame, and looking for higher time frame confirmation. It will save you from trading, over trading. Trade is supposed to be freedom. Not every time you must be with the chart. You are starting for trade. No. Wait for the trade to come. Take that trade. It can be one or two trades in a week and let the thing do it thing. So this guy, when I enter, I told you people, and you can see now that it's doing well and it's going well. So as long we are closing bullish and each day, I continue holding that trade. So there's nothing you can't enter this trade again for now. It has gone. So let's leave USD card. So USD share, this is another good trade. Why not enter? I was waiting for I think I have a sell limit that I know activate. Okay, look at it. Okay. So I have a sell limit here. You can see that this is it. It did not get to myself sell limit. I mean buy limit, I'm sorry. So I have a buy limit on this guy. Why do I use my buy limit? We have a break of structure. I trade demand supply. I expect price to come to demand to pick me, but it did not get to and move away. So be it. I'll let it go. But it's a good trade. I'm seeing this trade pushing. We have a lot of liquidity. We have a lot of trailer liquidity that at the end of the day, this is another trend and liquidity. The price will go and chop it, right? So we have liquidity here, we have liquidity here. So if I see any pullback and I get into the trade and write down, but for now I'm not in the trade. Okay, USDJPY, USDJPY, so USDJPY. Yes, I was talking about this yesterday. I said during the 10 o'clock class, I said, I know I pointed out for those that were in that class, said, I'm going to sell and I want to buy. So you can see, I think I sold immediately in the class. Yes, some people can bear witness that. I said, I'm selling now. So this was where price is. I sold. I think that gave me small money there. When I discovered that this was rejected back, or more, I just closed it. But for me to buy this guy, I know here it may not come back to where I'm looking at because look at this low. We have this low already swept and price close now it's doing so. Price can continue going up, So for now, I'm hands off on there. You know something about an engulfing candle sometimes the best way is to take it on daily because if you go to smaller time frame, price may not come back to where you want it to take. Or when a bullish candle close, what price do is just to create a Judas swing and price will just continue, right? So that is what normally happen, right? That's what normally happen. So on USDJPY, for now, I'll just hold my hand and see, but this guy is moving. It's moving. I'm not on the trade. I'm not on the buy. I've earned myself. And the reason why I'm not be on this buy, I will tell you. Because I know some people, the reason why a lot of us will lose so much is that, this thing is buy, you just jump, enter from nowhere. Fine, you can work in your position. But do you have a specific rules? You must create a rules base for you that guide you in your trading. Don't get that. Now the rule, one of the rule be say I trade from discount and supply, for example. So from that swing guide, this swing low, good. Now, this trade now, it met the criteria before buying because it surpassed the equilibrium line and push up. So that's why I said this trade can decide to do what? This trade can decide to do what? To start buying because he has, though it's not 61.8, he has reached equilibrium line. So, but the reason why I will not buy, I don't buy from equilibrium line. I love to buy at least 71.8. And I was thinking that it will come to this balance will be filled up done before going up. So since it's not come to my area, and this is the last demand and bridge structure, since I trade demand and supply, since it's not come to demand, I let it go. So for now, USDJPY, this is the next place, a resistance zone. If it fail to come down, then I will allow it to go and be patient to wait it here. That is all. So I'm done with all the USD pair. So I will see to you cannot come over now, do any counter pair that anybody want to do. So when you done, close by, just do like 10 minutes. I want to come back for synthetic. There's something I want to show the community about synthetic. Hmm? So can you hear me, Sito?
Yeah, I'm with you. I'm with you.
Please make sure you close by 9:40. So I'll come back. There's something powerful I want to show on synthetic. Right. Okay. Over to
All
you. Go
right.
ahead.
Okay. Good morning, everyone. How are we doing today? Hope we are making money. Okay. Thank you, Mr. Val, for going over the USD currencies. So we'll just quickly see one or two things on the minor pairs. Anything that's USD is a major pair. Anything that has USD in it is a major pair, and anything that does not have USD in it but is made up of two major currencies is called a minor pair. All right. So let's see just a few other pairs, and then we'll give room for the synthetic indices. Okay. What do we have? So we're gonna start with is it AUD card? Okay, yes. So AUD card. I'm seeing something on AUD card that I wish to share with us. This is the daily time frame. Now you see, since we broke structure here to the downside, the way price has moved back down has moved back to this area for retracement has been very slow and steady, as you can see. So what we do is that we just wait. So you see the way the movement has been very, very close. But I spotted something. So I'm spotting this guy here. I don't know if you are seeing this guy with me, but I'm seeing this guy here. So everything that is happening here becomes what? Becomes liquidity build-up for me, right? We have this liquidity and then of course it extends. So everything that is happening around here becomes a liquidity build-up for me. So what I'm waiting for now for AUD card is for price to dance its way into this is the daily time frame, right? So when price gets here on the daily, we can now go to what? We can now go to the H4 to expect price to do what? To show us something like a change of character on the H4. So we can get a change of character on the H4 or even the H2, H1, and we can look for what the next place of fair value gap on the H2, H1, and then you can sell. So this zone is looking very sharp on the AUD card. So I just like this area. So I think you should also keep an eye on it. So when price gets there, I'll look at how we can incorporate sales. Everybody have different ways of, entering their trade based on confirmations. So I'm going to look at what I can get from there to catch some sales. It's a very quick supply. It's a very quick analysis on the supply that we have on AUD card. So let me see. EU AUD, Euro AUD, Euro AUD. I'm still maintaining this lookout here. Okay, I'm still looking at here for AUD AUD. So that's what I want to see price drop. You can see all this fair value gap here, even though price has started to play with all of them though. Okay. Price has started to touch the fair value gap, but at least let it come into this. This is a big zone enough for price to trade its way into. You see, from all these interactions that we had here, you can see this small interaction. So price still has some distance to go. Maybe we can catch something to this place, then we can buy from here. So just now I'm spotting something. I'm seeing some sweep and break situation here. So let me go on to lower time frame if I can get an order block. Or it's not clean on the lower time frame. If you see on the 4 hours, what I was seeing was this. I'm just seeing it now. You see the way price swept here, and then it broke here, and then it's giving us liquidity here. So we're having something like this, a sweep, and then a break, and then of course inducement is here. So that's what I'm spotting here. So I wanted to go to the lower time frame to see if it is still that clean, so that maybe we can look to catch something from here while waiting for here to develop. So let me check again. The 3 hour is it's not bad. But I want something that is nice. I like it. Of course, I like the fair value gap. The reason I'm not spotting something very quickly is because the price action is very efficient. And this place that I would have spotted has already been mitigated. This, let me just show you. This supply, this order block I'm seeing here has already been mitigated here. So that's why I am not liking it anymore. Is that okay? So what we'll just do is we'll just have to wait at this point. If I had something very clean here, I'd have just taken the trade from there. But the way price is moving inside of there is too close marked. I know there's no space, there's no imbalance, and I don't have any much to look at inside of there. So Euro NZD, we still have our eyes on what's our areas here and here. These are our main areas to look out for Euro NZD, like we talked about. These are the discounted areas since price took the high here and here, discounted areas. But even while waiting for that, we still have a key level here that's we can look to catch some temporary buy from here. The key level here with inducement here on the 4 hours time frame is also there on the daily. Even if you go to the daily, you still see it there. So that even makes it stronger. So I have interaction here, here. I have liquidity here. And then, of course, I have this demand here, making this place very, very interesting for me to look for a buy opportunity. Okay. So it's very simple. We are not spending a lot of time on the charts. When we just see it, we play along. Okay. Mr. Val has already analyzed USD card. Okay, so that is that's some of the pairs. Network is okay. That's some of the pairs that we're going to be looking at for. Today is Thursday. We have news today, and is also a build up for tomorrow's non-farm payroll news. That's NFP. So you know how NFP news happens. The build up is always a little bit slow, and then when the news comes in today and tomorrow, then definitely you're going to expect a lot of momentum coming into the market between today and tomorrow. So we'll be on the lookout. So I'm seeing someone is saying should check GA, GN. Oga Solomon used to have so many pairs he's looking at. All right. What's going on? My network, is it that? Not my network. Okay. So he said GA. Do you have anything for GA? Okay, so GBP AUD, yeah. So yeah, is it yesterday? I think we analyzed this guy. Yesterday we analyzed GBP AUD that it has fallen very well into a demand zone. All right. So what I want to see now, as you can see, was a change in character, and we have gotten that now. So this is now going to be our buy region for GBP AUD. So Mr. Solomon, I'm looking at there for buys on GBP AUD. Please, my network is shaky. If you are hearing me audibly, please just type 111 on the chat box, please. Let me be sure that you are with me. Please, thank you very much. I'm respecting the feedback. So this is what I'm looking at for GBP AUD. All right. Okay, thank you very much, Sonny Blaze. Thank you. All right, thank you. So this is GBP AUD, Mr. Solomon. This is what I'm looking at for GBP AUD. So if you are here, you can look to buy from GBP AUD from them. There's a buy limit here. Let me see if I can quickly just write that out. What's the time? I need to give room for the synthetics class too.
I'm already buying this pair.
You're already buying it?
Yeah.
That's nice.
Go to daily time frame. Yes, you see that yesterday that closed bullish on that rebar. That is a confirmation. That is confirmation that I needed. So
that is sweet here. So by our daily strategy, we should be coming for this high. So this is the trade on GBP AUD. So if you're looking for a trade, you can enter off the re-entry. Forgive my poor reception, please. I don't know if it's from maybe I should go from Airtel to MTN. Okay, so I was going to type something out. So very quickly, this probably be buy limits. Oh, okay, you're already on the buy. Oh, that's nice. That's nice. Buy limits for people that will be looking for re-entry. The entry price is at 2.5529. SL is just about 2.05170, and then the TP is the TP can be this high here, but for now let's just look at a 1 to 3. If you want to do a 1 to 2, that's fine. So 2.06598. All right. So this is the re-entry for this is the EP. This is a re-entry for GBP AUD buy limits. Okay. Okay, so you can look to enter this. This is a 36, just about 36 pips stop loss. All right. So thank you, Mr. Val. Mr. Solomon, you also talked about GBP NZD. I don't know if yes, I think we analyzed that, right? Did we? Well, we are still buying too, right? We are still buying, definitely still buying. So, well, okay, I was waiting for this lower region here.
Okay, okay. All right, so let me look at synthetic. And so I want to show us, for those of us that play synthetic, have very important this something for us. So you can make your choice. Let me share my. Hope you can see my screen. Please, can see my screen. Just give me 1 on 1. This is my live static account. Can see my screen. Give me 1 on 1. If you can see my screen, can you give me 1 on 1? Okay. Okay. So I love to trace aesthetic when this is very fast and very move. So it's another way of making money. But for a while, synthetic is not the kind of market structure. It's not like a currency, and that is why it's hard for some people to trade it. It's not like a market structure. Base structure, but I have studied it. I can tell you it's not like that of currency. So recently, since starting for knowledge and how will this thing work, how are these things? So there is software, you can see it on my screen. It's a scanner, it's not a robot that I've been used for over 1 week now that I'm using. In fact, some of the trades, before sitting to call trade, what trade, like this one, when it called, or yesterday, when it called this flip 4 for a sell around there, my already selling because my scanner already called it from here, already call it here, so I already start selling. So even when it call flip 1, a buy around somewhere in here, already buying from here when I got the entry. Consider that I already selling. Now, before I go to one or two details, look at it. This account was funded, it was $85 account to $85 on Sunday. Now, when you come to the history, you will see some losing, making, because there's nothing, whether anything that tell you that you will not lose, run away. But the end of it is that we didn't make money. So this was refunded about $85. You can see, was funded $85 on 26th of August. Then in that period, let's see. Okay, I think there was okay. I think we need a couple of like 4 days thereabouts. So I think this is total profit that I make on the account. Now, consider I still have a running trade. I still have a running trade running. So though this software can work, it can work in all these things, but I love using more of it get more confirmation of synthetic than currency. I will log into currency and I'll show you some confirmation of currency. But what it does, it will work both with what we know as, it's also a smart money concept kind of product. Let me show you. I want to activate the smart money tools. But sometimes I don't use it without just on this. Okay. I'll see now that I want to bring this. So you can see, so it's not a robot. And the reason why I love it is that I don't like robot because robot will just be picking trade anyhow. But I love when I see a scanner, a system like a scanner that scan and tell me, okay, entry, then I cannot confirm because I love confirming thing before I get into it. So this is what this one do. It will confirm. Let me remove this one back. So it will give a confirmation, especially I love using more on higher time frame, daily or 4 hours. So I'm not going to explain, how to use it, but I just want to point out that it's a really effective. There are some things from here now we call for a bullish. You can see how the market bullish. Here I have a bearish. Immediately I saw this bearish yesterday, they are putting the trade. And that's how I have a lot like FS2, this is FS2. I've been this trade for, can see. Now I've taken second position out of this trade yesterday. Immediately I got a confirmation. Now it's normal break of structure. Give me a break of structure. Then when give me confirmations, then I enter the confirmations, right? I enter the trade. And for example, here now, this buy, there's a book cross here. Book cross is a very, when I say book cross, bullish engulfing, it's very effective. So now, the first one I entered was this place, this book cross here. I mean, that's why I enter a trade here. Second entry was here. So this one from here, I think with 0.01, it gave me like $20 yesterday when I caught it. Then this one is running. So when we give me a target, so it can give me entry and target. So this one I can target this another bear cross. See? So when this get to this bear cross, a sell will come up. You see, anything bear cross or bull cross, a very strong signal that a strong sell. So this is how it has been an awesome. I can tell you, it has built an awesome or product. So it make systematic trading very easy. All we need to do, all I need to do is to wait for confirmations. Like here now, when this thing trade here, you see all this bearish engulfing. Any from here, a massive sell wave because this is a downtrend. Though the price has changed, but when you get to this place, a sell will happen. Now look at flip 5 example now. I missed this one. Immediately, I have this bear cross. I bought a bull cross. I bought from here, though I did not stay long. I think I resist around here. So bear cross, you can see now the thing, how powerful is this thing? We have resistance, we have support. So this bear cross or bearish engulfing only come up on resistance. So once it got to this resistance and give me a bear cross, I don't need anything. This confirmation I need. It's a strong signal, you can see. Until this thing will set in, maybe get to this bullish. So somebody that is selling here, later after this guy confirm a bear cross, enter a sell here, then this place is the next target. And it also come with a Fibo level. You can see all this Fibo, this thing. So now when I come to daily time frame, you see, there are two powerful things I watch out for. When I see bullish engulfing, bearish engulfing, it's a strong signal. Bull cross, bear cross. These are the key. So I found this thing very helpful, and I apply risk management. So me, I'm a very conservative trader, and I'm not saying because of one product is giving confirmation. I don't like I don't like doing all those ta. I believe steady growth. So just enter. You can see the trader is running now. Yes, depend on the volatile of the product. Flip 1, the best one is very, very slow, and that's why I have 0.02. You can see flip 2, I have 0.01. But when you look at this now, 0.01, this thing was $8 this morning because of the pullback. This two was already $15 this morning because of the pullback. That's why I see. Now I'm monitoring flip 3. All I need there is already in this place. I need a bullish. Once this thing gave me a bullish engulfing or bull cross around there, you can see when you give a bear cross, what do you see? The price will surely will fall. When you give a bearish engulfing. So these two things, these are powerful things that the scanner is not cheap though. So now let me switch to a currency account. But I use it more on synthetic or like that. I decided to try it on a currency. Just let's wait. The network. Something with this now. Sorry. No. Yes, is this. Okay, to go through more. Okay, so let me go to where it confirmed GU. So I use it here on, you can see when GU travel and I have the break cross here. I think I took some trade Okay, and this is the trade I use it for. Just test run it on this thing. So you can see this was a USD card. Okay, this is where I got that confirmation for USD cards that I entered then. What that gave me, okay, it was the USD card. Go to daily time frame. Right. So now this is USD card. Okay, yes. So there was the bullish, I'm on daily. Yes. Okay. So it was here that I got bullish engulfing was here. Then when I enter, so you can see the result was I will close this one, do a tax of then gold. Then also the gold I call 2 days ago. That's okay. This goes to buy. So it's also work on, but you will not get more confirmations. Before you get confirmations. Okay, look at when he gave a bull. Now, bull Ararami is not that strong, but this one can be a quick scalp. So just scalp and this thing. But when you give a bull cross or bullish engulfing, so if this in trade now, if this is start selling, this place is a very good place to take profit because it has confirmed a bullish engulfing. So sometimes you want to buy, I wait for a bullish engulfing. So when you look at, let's go to daily time frame. Look at it. When you give a bull cross, you see how this thing, then bear cross. So the only thing here is that you will not get more here, you will not get more confirmations like on synthetic. That's why I prefer using it on synthetic. So let's go back to synthetic and see if we can see 1 or 2 trades on this that we can take. For those of that take synthetic, I will not tell you the final thing I want to say. Oh, I have small limit to for second this thing. So let me quickly switch in this next 2 minutes. Let's see if we can get, we'll scan through and see if we can get some trade on synthetic. See, when you give a pull cross, only this one is because of small account, I don't want to trade Volat 99. It was the next confirmation. Gain 700. See, pull engulfing. This one is buying. It has gone. This one, is no enter. Okay, I think this one gave from 1 minute. Okay, it was here. Yes, it was here. But this one, I quickly go out. Reason being that because of the small account, if you want to trade this and paying 400, you can only use 0.1. So I think you have $500 account or 200, and you can trade this because it's 0.1. But what you see, whether it was a good signal and it's still buying like that. This one, let's see 4 hours. If you can see, you will see okay. Now this guy has come to this place cross. So we have a bull engulfing here, the thing bought. So when I use this, immediately when I see this, like this bull engulfing candle, this bull immediately close, then I will enter because the market will push it, especially when I see on 4 hours on daily time frame. You can see bullish and pencil. So because of we are in uptrend and this market is confirming bullish, I will regard this bearish, this cross. And if I use my Fibo from this low to this high, I still believe that the market need to. So when it pushed to this place, 61.8, so I can look for it. So I will ignore this that I cannot push to this place. So you can see that the scanner, when you call, we also need to use some confirmations, your smart money concept, this thing to do. Look at here. This is first trade. Now book cross, very strong signal. You can see how it push up. So this is a very powerful thing. So okay. Do we have any trade? All traders, okay, let's see that flip, one I am already selling. If you can still be on this trade. Now it's giving, I have a bearish engulfing here on 4 hours. So I will disregard this bull around me because higher time frame is giving me a bearish engulfing. So this one will not hold. And I have yesterday kind of closed bearish. So I'm still selling this guy, and my target at least will be to this bull cross, or so I'm holding this trade at least to that place. And should I get in now? You can wait. You can wait, maybe go to 15 minutes, any pullback. I've already see that 1 hour, we're already breaking structure down. So any pullback, you can get in to sell F1, F1. So that is it. So this is, you know how to show us. So for this reason, there are two things you feel. I have a outside the free once in a while I'll be dropping. I'll be sending to Sito to be dropping on the Telegram group, on the funded group. But I also have, because I said that this is very expensive, so I don't expect to be giving out for free. As for those who want to a signal channel for this, and so very small money for monthly, just to help. And if you're interested in getting the scanner, you can chat me up that you can install it on your MT5. Then I will teach you how to use it and you can start using it. So that is it. If there's anything, you can chat me up. Thank you for your time and bye for now.